We're at the iÓMICAS Institute, or iÓMICAS Research Institute at the Pontificia Universidad Javeriana in Cali. This is a relatively new institute focused on the idea that we need to understand how to assemble materials, matter in general, from the constructive elements of matter, and that's atoms. Once we understand how that assembly process can be executed from the bottom up, we would start solving a lot of the problems that we have in general as human beings. Now, again, learning from nature, we are interested in looking at how omics science in general, by characterizing an organism, how we can understand it better in terms of how it interacts with our own tissues. One particular example that I'm very excited about is what we call the PTFI. We are a Center of Excellence for the Periodic Table of Food Initiative program. It's a Rockefeller-funded effort. That's an international effort in which we're trying to look at the composition of foods. And the idea behind this is now we have instruments that allow us to actually probe that atomic scale and probe the structure of each individual component of the foods that we eat. By doing that, now we have a way also of analyzing how each of those compounds that form a particular food interacts with the different tissues of humans for not only nutritional purposes, but also for health purposes. How do we use food in a medicinal manner? So PTFI is bringing a lot of this, futuristic idea of really worrying about what we eat and about the idea that food is health. We're making very good strides to analyze local foods that are indigenous. We're also making good strides to normalize the characterization protocols that we use internationally to understand the composition of foods. So I welcome everybody to visit us at the Javeriana, at the Institute, and to continue doing good science.